Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the DOOGEE Blade 20 Max and I'm going to tell you what to do if you do have no SIM card detected on your device. So the first thing that I do recommend doing is to just reinsert your SIM card carefully. So at first you need to, as you can see here, we do have the SIM card tray. You need to, with your nail or with a SIM card opener, you need to just carefully remove here this tray. I rather do this with my nail because it's easier, definitely easier. It's here, as you can see. And now once we do have that, just try to reinsert the SIM card. So maybe take a microfiber cloth. Here, clean this thing over here, this plate of the SIM card, just like that. And now you can place here our SIM card tray inside our device, with, of course, caution. Now our SIM card should be recognized. As you can see, mine is Virgin Mobile, and it's done. Apart from that, if it doesn't work for you, you need to just take another phone. For example, here I do have the iPhone 16 Pro. You can remove the SIM card from this phone, from your DOOGEE, and test it in another device. For example, your older phone, your mom's phone, dad's phone, child's phone, sisters, brothers, grandmas, just test this SIM card in other device. If it works in another device, it means that the problem is your device, and we'll just check some software issues here. But if your SIM card doesn't work in other device too, as recognized, you need to contact the carrier to verify the data plan, or just have a new SIM card. It's just, you need to contact the carrier or where you are, of course. So let's focus, because that way was the previous way was closed. Here we have only one way now. If only our device don't recognize the SIM card. So unlock your device, have it just unlocked, and now go to the settings in your phone over here. Now tap here network and internet, mobile network. Here tap this first thing, and now you should see just here the mobile, and that there is anything. If you don't see it anything, like here, you need to go back and tap SIMs. Maybe SIM slot 1 is disabled, like this. If it's disabled, you won't see actually nothing here because it's play off. So go back to SIMs and make sure that this is enabled. If it is enabled, that's nice. Now your phone should work. But if it isn't, and here you don't anything, go back, and here now scroll all the way down to the system. Tap system updates and tap check for updates. If you do have any updates available in your device, you need to just update your phone. Because sometimes DOOGEE or any company release some updates that just fix your issues, and they are adding some additional features too, but mainly they just fix the bugs that may occur in these phones. So as you can see, I do have here no connection, but if you do, and if you do have any updates, update your phone immediately. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.